Naturally, and I'm here with Relief Why Not, and we're going to do natural.
Me.
We're going to do natural modding today. Ready for the mods of nature?
We're gonna let nature take its toll on our car so it can be pretty.
What does it go? Go speed, London. Go speed, London.
There's Timmy, look, there's one of nature's beautiful creatures. Run into it.
Ramps.
No, one of nature's pretty creatures. Oh, what's this?
Oh, gravity.
Oh, gravity. Physics. Physics.
Oh.
33 stuff. You only get 30.
33 more. That's not enough.
Wait. Look at that duct tape on my car.
And there we see the natural ramp. It makes me spin the doodle.
Corks.
Why do I keep on making these? I want to kill myself.
No, you cannot kill.
But I'm trying to do the natural mining and
Ready,
keep on
Jimmy?
making all the drums.
Ready? Now spin. Spin, you dumb animal. Spin until you are dead.
Okay, now time to do another natural mining.
Yeah.
You think we're going over that ramp, Tony?
No.
No!
Yes. The front of my car looks like a beautiful nature.
I don't even know. We're going to make it.
We're going to make it.
Oh, actually.
Oh, we made it.
Nope! Oh, guys!
I wasn't expecting that to happen.
Tony, we have such good ground.
Perfect. Oh, look. Plane we can mod as well. Together.
Okay, come on.
I don't think it's working. I think you just blew out your
Why is this there? Why is this there? Why are you here?
I think it's dead.
But why?
I
Why
don't
is this
know.
here? It's not even good.
Alright, let's go find some natural people. Oh, there we go.
Naturally.
Naturally. Right? Beautiful. Can't buy.
Metro. Oh, now time for some natural ramping. Tony, you're right. Yes, right. Here we go.
Wonderful. Oh, hey. Oh. Hello, people. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh, excuse me. Good thing my car is super light and natural.
Here we go. Up the ramp. Gosh dang it!
Oh, yeah. Wonderful. Oh, I lost my other door.
That's not how it's supposed to happen.
Just what I wanted. My other door is gone too.
This is not supposed to happen this way.
I love it.
Alright. Next.
I do not think it worked as well as we thought.
Here we go. Oh God. Here we go again.
Yes. No, wait, not yet. Oh, bugger.
Oh, hello, cops.
The cops think they can catch me while I'm trying to modify my car into the beautiful piece of... Whoa. Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And now they will never get me. Oh,
Yes!
Woohoo!
We got the new engine upgrade.
New engine. All natural. 100% from the earth. Yeah.
We have liftoff.
Oh,
Oh crap.
that was pretty. Timmy, you failed it. Oh, okay, that should have.
Oh, that looks like a.
Over the plane.
Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Spin. The car's running out of juice. It needs juice. Spin! That was a weird spin. I was really hoping somebody would be there so they could help us modify. Looking like a big old dude buggy.
Check out our new modification.
Yes, you cannot buy mods like that. You can only get them from the world.
Yes.
Was that a bomb?
No.
What was that?
Next time on Modifying Cars,
What was that in your hand?
we're gonna try and modify your plane.
Did you just have a bob? Timmy. Timmy, was that a bob?
Plane modification next week.
Timmy,
It'll be fun.
Timmy, that wasn't a bob, was it?
That was me talking about the plane modifications.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you next week. It was a bob!
Oh!